Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're celebrating another massive win that confirms our analysis on ZEC. You can see the weekly chart right here. We previously warned you about the all-time high resistance and the potential for a double top rejection at the $360 zone, and the market honored that warning perfectly. Now, after that massive move, we are seeing the final stage of our trade plan play out. ZEC has hit TP4. This is a testament to the power of recognizing long-term resistance and bearish patterns like the one we spotted. For those who are keeping track, the price has seen incredible volatility, but our ability to detect these reversals is why our followers are making huge profits. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.